Welcome to mHUB's MedTech Demo Day. I'm Monica Vajani, Executive Director of the MedTech Accelerator. Today is the culmination of an incredible 6-month journey for 8 early-stage startups that are redefining what's possible in patient care.
I'm the CEO and co-founder of Crimson Scientific, and we're modernizing the electrocardiogram to make it fast, accurate, and simple.
I'm co-founder and CEO of Articulate Labs. Our company builds wearable devices to help turn real life into physical therapy.
I'm a pediatrician and co-founder of Nspire. We're a company devoted to optimizing how we deliver oxygen to babies.
Cat Innovation works on the development of a smart clothing that is a bone growth technology using electrical stimulation to reduce the risk of fracture in people affected by osteoporosis.
PalmLog is a robotics platform. It has the ability to track your hands, so whatever you do with your hands and fingers, we're able to precisely track and monitor that data.
I'm the COO of Major Medical. We're developing the next generation of technology for aortic repair. It's endovascular stent grafts that allow vascular surgeons to bring more patients on label and streamline their procedures for aortic aneurysm repair.
This has been a transformative experience for us. We hope we can repay it in kind, both by getting our technology out, making ourselves profitable, but also being able to give back to future cohorts.
It's not just the building and the resources here, but it's the people that we've been connected to. It's also the corporate sponsors. GE, Endeavor, and Baxter have been very critical on our progress. They've been very involved in what we're doing. And so we're going to stay in Chicago for the foreseeable future and build Crimson up from here.
I think it was truly the nature of the humans who were part of this program. I found everyone to be warm, supportive, helpful, and it was wonderful to be part of the same journey that they were on as well. And I think we all kind of shared in the wins and successes along the journey. And this cohort is really among the best I've been a part of any accelerator.